OpenAI just launched Codex for your Mac, and the coding world looks like in some serious competition. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The company has officially launched a brand new Codex app for macOS, and it's not just another developer tool. This one is built to run teams of coding AI agents at the same time, all working in parallel, all staying in sync to create faster software with fewer headaches. The star of this app is GPT 5.2 Codex, OpenAI's most powerful coding model yet, which the company hopes will be enough to tempt over Claude Code users. The new app wraps it in a clean, flexible interface designed for real-world work like quick fixes and full product launches. OpenAI says this could change who gets to build software, not just how it's built. Codex app keeps everything organized by project. Each agent runs in its own thread, so you can jump between tasks without losing context. You can review what an agent changes, comment directly on the code, or open it in your own editor to edit things by hand. The best feature? Built-in work trees. Multiple agents can work on the same report at once without stepping on each other's toes. Every agent gets its own copy, letting you explore different ideas without breaking anything. Plus, the app even remembers your past, Codex sessions, and settings so you can pick up right where you left off. Codex also comes loaded with powerful skills. It can turn Figma designs into pixel-perfect UI, manage bugs and releases, deploy apps to major cloud platforms, generate images, build with OpenAI's APIs, and even create polished documents like PDFs and spreadsheets. You can use it with a ChatGPT Plus, Pro, Business, Enterprise, or EDU subscriptions. On Mac, even free and Go users get access for a limited time too. In short, Codex is here, and coding has never been this easier. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.